Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up an FAQ section on your WordPress website, the easiest way possible, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional looking FAQ page live on your site, perfect for answering your visitors' most common questions and improving user experience. So let's dive right in. Log in to WordPress. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress website. On the top right, you'll see the login button. Click that. Now, if you want a quick and secure way to sign in, choose Continue with Google. It's fast, simple, and ideal for users already connected to a Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land right inside your WordPress dashboard where all the magic happens. Navigate to the Pages section next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages. This is where you can view all your existing pages or create a brand new one. If you already have a section for FAQs, you can edit that page. But for this tutorial, let's create a fresh, dedicated FAQ page from scratch. Create a new page, click on the Add New Page button. In the title box, type Frequently Asked Questions. This clearly tells visitors what the page is about. Giving your page a clean and direct title also helps with SEO, since people often search using that exact phrase. Add your FAQ content blocks. Now it's time to add the actual FAQs. WordPress makes this super easy using its block editor. Here are two great options. The details block. This one lets you create collapsible Q&A sections. Visitors can click a question to expand and see the answer. It looks clean, saves space, and is great for mobile users. The paragraph block. If you prefer a simpler look, you can just list each question as a bold heading and type the answer underneath. It's straightforward and easy to scan. Choose the style that fits your site best or mix both for variety. Just make sure your questions are clear and your answers are concise. Publish your FAQ page. Once you've added all your questions and formatted everything the way you like, it's time to make it live. Simply click the Publish button in the top right corner. WordPress will confirm the changes. And just like that, your FAQ section is live and ready for visitors. And that's it. Your FAQ section is officially set up in just a few minutes. This not only helps your visitors, but also makes your site look more professional and trustworthy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on my latest WordPress guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.